Hey guys, welcome to another video.
In today's video we're going to be looking at this, the Absima Racing Truggy. The first thing we think you want to do is upgrade the battery. We just bought this 7.4 volt Li-ion battery cheaply, much cheaper than you get the replacement Absima batteries. Put it on there and it lasts about half an hour, a lot longer than the standard battery. The suspension's a bit bouncy, as you can see here. We will be filling these up with some shock oil to hopefully improve the ride, which hopefully you'll see in a later video, but at the box she's a bit bouncy. It's got a 390 brushed motor with a heatsink and it's pretty speedy for a little car. The tyres are nice and soft, not too rock hard as you find on some cheaper cars. It has a 40 amp ESC, it has waterproof electronics, and it's a pretty fun little car. We won't bore you with the technical specifications, we'll link them below. To the montage!
Peace!
It's not your fault. I'll lift you up when others won't. Where there are lies, I'll be the truth. And I will not forget it. These concrete skies make pitch black nights. We carve our names with our headlights. Open your eyes and you will see. Home is you and me.
Boom! Hope you enjoyed our little talk about the car there. We're going to take it now to the skate park. This little car takes some right abuse, so sit tight, hold on, we're going to go for it. Guys, thanks for watching our little rouse around the skate park there. I hope you enjoyed it. And just to let you know, soon we're hopefully going to have some more videos of the Maverick Quantum Flux. We're having a few issues with it. We've managed to chew through 2 spur gears. We've had issues with the front diff. We're not getting much luck with it. We gave it quite a bit of abuse before we dropped our first video, so we're hoping to get it back online, and we're going to be sending it to the moon. So watch out for that. See you soon.